the suffix NESS, how it should sound. English in color. So let's start. So the suffix should sound like NIS, like an I, not NESS. So let's listen for the difference. NIS, NESS. NIS, NESS. We want NIS. Here are some common examples. Business, happiness, sadness, sweetness, illness, darkness. And we'll read some sentences. Let's review the color system. We have A, E, I, O, U, oi, ow, and the voiced S, which sounds like a Z, Z. Here we go. Your studiousness is sure to impress. Your studiousness is sure to impress. Next. The softness of her dress made her smile. The softness of her dress made her smile. And last. They must confess the seriousness of their actions. They must confess the seriousness of their actions. And that is all. Please like and subscribe, and if you have ideas for another video, let me know in the comments. See you next time.